A legacy of excellence, a future of sustainability, a name trusted in fashion worldwide. Jubilee Tex. Clothing is more than just fashion. It is an expression of who we are, a reflection of culture, values, and craftsmanship. At Jubilee Tex, this belief has guided us for over 55 years. Since 1969, from the textile hub of Tirupur, we have grown into one of the most trusted apparel manufacturer globally. Jubilee Tex is more than a company. We are a vertically integrated apparel manufacturing powerhouse, where every stage from fabric to final garment is perfected with care, precision, and responsibility. Knitting. By partnering with trusted knitter, we ensure a steady supply of premium knitted fabrics from jersey, rib, interlock, French terry to piqué. We work across diverse blends and yarn counts to meet the demands of global markets. Processing. Color breathes life into fabric. At our state-of-the-art dyeing unit in Perundurai, established in 2015, we handle both open width and tubular fabrics with a daily capacity of 10,000 kilograms per day. Our advanced machinery and certifications such as Tex Class 1, GRS, GOTS, and OCS ensure flawless color consistency and fabric safety. And because we believe fashion should not cost the earth, our in-house effluent treatment plant enables 100% reuse of processed water, making our dyeing unit a model of sustainable practice. Beyond dyeing, we offer customized garment washing solutions, enzyme washes, stone washes, acid washes, silicone washes, and softener applications, giving our clients flexibility and innovation in fabric finishes. Garmenting. The heart of Jubilee Tex lies in garmenting. Across our facilities in southern India, we bring together cutting-edge R&D, real-time quality checks, and advanced machinery. This allows us to manufacture up to 1.5 million garments every month, delivering menswear, womenswear, kidswear, and infant apparel with consistency, scale, and speed. Our product range is as diverse as the customers we serve across the globe. Printing. Established in 1989, our printing division features 5 fully automatic machines supported by in-house design and screen-making facilities. With certifications for Tex Class 1 processes, we deliver prints that are safe even for baby wear. Our Ask Me oval machine allows up to 16 color precision printing, enabling vibrant, detailed, and complex designs. From water-based prints, puff, foil, glow-in-the-dark, to discharge prints, our unit produces over 20,000 pieces every single day, meeting high-volume global demands without compromising on quality. Embroidery. For detail and distinction, our embroidery division, established in 2002, combines craftsmanship with advanced technology. Equipped with 20 head machines with 9 color capability, we produce up to 5,000 embroidered pieces per day of intricate, multicolored designs that add value and identity to garments worldwide. Quality assurance. At Jubilee Tex, quality is not just a process, it is a promise. From raw material checks to final inspections, our in-house laboratories conduct rigorous testing, complying with AATCC, ASTM, ISO, and buyer-specific protocols. Every stitch, every seam, every color is verified so that only garments of the highest standard are delivered from our factories. Global clients and markets. Our reputation extends globally. We proudly serve leading international brands across Europe, the USA, and Asia. Jubilee Tex garments are worn by millions around the world. certifications. Our commitment to responsibility is reflected in our global certifications. Each recognition reaffirms our pledge to ethical practices, environmental stewardship, and uncompromising quality. Corporate social responsibility. At Jubilee Tex, we believe true success lies in giving back. Through education, healthcare, and skill development, we uplift communities. We create a safe, inclusive workplace where every employee feels valued. And by investing in renewable energy and eco-friendly technologies, we actively reduce our carbon footprint, paving the way for a sustainable tomorrow.
Our company has been in the garment export industry for over 55 years, and I am proud to represent the third generation carrying this legacy forward. What started as a family dream has grown into a trusted partner for leading global brands. Today, we blend our heritage of quality and integrity with modern technology, sustainable practices, and ethical values to deliver excellence and meet the evolving needs of the fashion industry.
For Jubilee Tex, fashion is not just about fabric. It is about values, about people, about creating a better world through every garment we make, that have guided us for 3 generations, and they will continue to guide us for generations to come.